Thanks for watching Travel with John Spade. Here's my full ship tour and review of the Carnival Elation. The Elation is the smallest and second oldest ship in Carnival's cruise fleet. Set and sailed in 1998, this ship comes weighing in over 71,000 gross tons and has 14 decks, 7 of which are all staterooms. As you enter the ship on deck 7, you'll walk right into the main atrium. Located in between guest services and the shore excursions desk, you have the Park West Art Gallery. You can book all those fun activities to do at port at the shore excursions desk. The lobby bar at the center of the atrium is a great place to grab a cocktail and meet some new friends. The multi-tiered atrium provides some great views from all levels. As we move forward to the front of deck 7, you'll find the Mikado Lounge. I really enjoyed the classical seating in the Mikado Lounge due to its comfort and providing some great views to shows such as Deal or No Deal and the Love and Marriage Game. Looking to do some shopping on board? Check out the fun shops located right outside of the Mikado Lounge. And once you're done shopping, be sure to hit the like and subscribe button. Circle C is for the teenagers ages 12 to 14. Looking to find some great music in the big city? If so, stop past the Piano Bar with a New York City style inspired theme. The piano bar on Carnival ships are a fan favorite. Here, you can request your favorite song, dance the night away, or have a cocktail with your pianist. The Inspiration is one of 2 main dining rooms. Be sure to subscribe to my channel for a review of the main dining room here aboard the Carnival Elation, coming soon. The Mark Twain Library is a quiet space that is perfect for reading a book or enjoying a private event like the Chef's Table experience. As we step quietly to deck 9, we have the adults only area, Serenity. Serenity is known on Carnival ships for being a very quiet and peaceful area. This is a great place to relax, read a book, or even take a nap. The Alchemy Bar is a fan favorite for a reason. If you enjoy a great craft cocktail, look no further. The Alchemy Bar is the place for you. What separates Alchemy from other bars is the cocktails are all made using fresh ingredients. While most bars have bartenders, the Alchemy bars have true mixologists. Shout out to my guy Attila for crafting up some phenomenal cocktails during my sailing. The Limelight Lounge is a multifunctional entertainment space. Here nightly is where you will find your Punchliner Comedy Club, and as you dance into the afternoon hours, the Limelight Lounge transforms into a nightclub. Java Blue is serving up all of your coffee needs and freshly baked pastries daily. Be sure to stop past Cherry on Top for all of your candy cravings. The Romeo and Juliet Lounge is where you'll find trivia daily and karaoke at night. Have you cruised the Elation before? If so, drop a comment below on what you like most about this ship. Feeling lucky? Be sure to stop past the casino for some fun and games into the early morning hours. Having cruised the Elation twice, I've spent a good amount of time in this casino. And I must say, being an older, smaller ship, the casino on board was just as fun and entertaining as any other I've been in. For all of my sushi lovers, make sure you roll over to Banzai Sushi. Club 02 is for the teenagers ages 15 to 17. Now, let's head up to Deck 10, which happens to be one of my favorite decks on any ship, Lido. The Carnival Deli serves up freshly made sandwiches, wraps, and hot dogs. Pizza Pirate serves up freshly made pizzas all throughout the day. This area is where you'll find your buffet style food items served daily for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Blue Iguana Cantina is serving up freshly made tacos and burritos. Right beside Blue Iguana, you have an additional buffet area. Guy's Burger Joint is proclaimed by many to be the best burger at sea and is a Carnival fan favorite. Be sure to stop past the toppings bar to customize your burger and enhance those flavors. If you love cruising as much as I do, go ahead and press that like and subscribe button. Red Frog Rum Bar is your go-to for all of your favorite rum-based cocktails. Be sure to order the Red Rum's Treasure and tell them Travel with John Spate sent you. Directly across from the Red Frog, you have the Blue Iguana Tequila Bar. Make sure you slide into Carnival's waterworks if you're looking to have some fun in the sun. If you've enjoyed this video, please subscribe below to help my channel grow, and stay tuned for videos from the Carnival Horizon and the brand new Carnival Jubilee. Be sure to book all of your spa needs at Cloud9 Spa to enhance the relaxation while on vacation. Camp Ocean is the kids club for ages 2 through 11. During both my sailings on the Elation, I came to the same conclusion, that this was still a very good looking ship with entertaining shows and great service. Overall, for a ship sailing for 25 years, I'd say the Elation is still a great ship to this day. Thanks for watching.